How to easily change icon size in Windows 11. First, right click on an empty space on your desktop. From the context menu, select the View option. A submenu will appear with different icon size options: small icons, medium icons, large icons. By default, medium icons is selected. To get icon view as little, select small icons. To get bigger icon, select large icons. To adjust the icon size more, press and hold Ctrl key on the keyboard with the mouse wheel. If you hold Ctrl key on keyboard with the scroll up on the mouse wheel, the icons will get bigger. And if you hold Ctrl key on keyboard with scroll down on mouse wheel, the icons will get smaller. In this way, you can get the biggest and the smallest icon size. And that's how you can easily change icon size in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.